Technology never ceases to amaze me. We've had Apple AirTags, but Google's been behind the 8 ball, I think, with an Android solution until now. This is basically the size of a credit card, but it actually, like an AirTag, where you can put this on your luggage, you can put this in your phone, which is what I'm going to be doing today. Right here, I just kind of leave it right there in your phone. So if you ever lose your phone or phone walks away, you can put this just about anywhere you want to track. Size of a credit card, like I said, but guess what? It's actually powered. So you have the on button right here, and to charge it is a wireless charge. So you can actually charge it with your phone, or you just put it on a wireless charger and it charges. So it'll let you know when it needs to be charged. And the only thing I'm going to show you guys on an Android, we're going to connect this devices. Okay. All right. So basically out of the box, the power right here, you turn it on. As soon as you turn it on, your phone's going to recognize it. All right. As soon as you turn it on, you're going to need to connect your card to your device here. And so you can just open up the Google Find My, if you don't have it, it's called the Find Hub from Google. It's Google's Find Hub, and we will add the card here. All right. Took a minute. All right, once you power this up and got the app installed, it's going to ask you, okay, here it is. So you just connect with it. So we're going to connect this card to my phone. Now I'm going to be able to find this tag anywhere I put it. And it's just going to ask you to go through the setup process. Just, hey, give it permissions to find it. It's adding it to the Find Hub, and we're good to go. And then we can open the app. Just like that. I want it to access nearby devices, and I want it to play a sound. So that's, if I need to find it, I'm not sure where it is, I can do that. It actually will track it, geo-tracking, all that kind of stuff. It will only sync to obviously one account. So you can only put it on a Google account. And then the other thing is, but you can share ownership of it. So if I wanted like my wife to know where this was, I could plus share ownership, my kids, anything like that, where this is. So if I put this on like on my e-bike or whatever, they could know where it's at all times, or wherever this is, they're gonna know, right? So this one for this is gonna stay right. I'm probably going to put it in my luggage so that I know where it's at all times when we're flying, when we're traveling, because yeah, you kind of want to know where your luggage is. Make sure that it gets to where it needs to be and not where it was, right? So anyway, so welcome to the next best AirTag thing or solution for an AirTag, which is this little gizmo right here. Again, wireless charging. Isn't that cool? So if you're in the market to know where your luggage is, or if you lose your keys or anything like that, that you can attach this to. If you are one of those people that forget everything and where you left it last, this might be your new best friend.